Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Snapchat to the snap or chat containing the sticker you want. Long press the sticker until the contextual menu appears. This is how Snapchat exposes saving options. Choose Save to Memories, Camera Roll, or Export. Pick Camera Roll if you want file-level control. Once done, confirm the item saved by opening Memories or your Photos app. Make sure to name or tag it in Memories for quick retrieval, because organized saves prevent repeat hunting and speed future sticker use. Now convert that saved image into a reusable sticker. Open Snapchat Camera, then swipe up to access Memories and Camera Roll. Select your saved image, tap the scissors or cut tool, and precisely trace the subject. Do this deliberately so edges are clean. After tracing, Snapchat auto-creates a transparent sticker. Tap Save Sticker to add it to your custom sticker tray. Once added, that sticker appears in the sticker picker under My Stickers, so you can quickly reuse it across Snap. To apply the sticker, open a snap, tap the sticker icon, and choose My Stickers. Place, resize, rotate, or layer it where you want. Once placed, send or save the snap. Your sticker choice persists in your library for future use. If the sticker vanishes, first check Memories and Camera Roll. Recreate the custom sticker if needed. Also make sure Snapchat has storage and photo permissions enabled. Without those, saved stickers can fail to appear. If problems persist, restart the app and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.